General Science One-Liner Volume 1 Part 1. A man is ordering a lens to use as a reading glass. He should order a large convex lens with short focal length. A vitamin that affects the ability to see in dim light is vitamin A. Rest and motion are relative terms. Mercury is used in the thermometer because it has relatively uniform expansion. It is opaque and so is easily visible in glass, it does not wet or stick to the glass, and it remains liquid at ordinary temperatures. Carrots, especially when taken raw, are good source of vitamin B. Topology is a branch of mathematics. Who is considered as the father of motion picture? Thomas Edison. What is a white dwarf? A lightless star which has collapsed after its hydrogen supply has been used up. Bacteria is a microscopic living organism. Lungs are a part of the respiratory system. The sky over the earth, in fact, looks blue. What is a whale? A mammal. Why is rest necessary after good deal of exercise or work? To neutralize poisons that are produced during exercise or work. How many muscles does a human body have? 639. What is an instinct? An immature action. Which constituent of blood takes food material to all tissues of the body? White corpuscles. The image formed on the retina of the eye is real and inverted. A photoelectric cell converts light energy into electrical energy. Which one of the following is not an excretory organ? Adrenal gland. Light year is related to distance. What does angstrom measure? Wavelength of light waves. A tightrope walker carries a long pole which he holds across his body. The purpose of this pole is to keep the center of gravity always vertically above the rope. The sky appears blue because the Earth's atmosphere reflects blue light. When water is filled in a bottle and is allowed to freeze, the bottle breaks because water expands on freezing. People living in high altitudes, like mountains, usually have larger number of red blood cells. Copper is used in the production of electric wires. Which instrument is used to measure pressure? Manometer. The blue color of clear sky is due to dispersion of light. Food is normally digested in the small intestine. Enzymes help in digestion of food. The human cell contains 46 chromosomes. Lungs are situated in the thoracic cavity. Pulmonary artery carries impure blood. Rickets is a disease of bones. Lockjaw, difficulty in opening the mouth, is a symptom of tetanus. Insulin is injected into the intestines by pancreas. Barium is used for X-rays of alimentary canal. Biopsy is done on tissues taken from a living body. Lack of insulin causes diabetes. Dialysis is used for the treatment of kidney failure. Appendix is part of large intestine. ECG is used for the diagnosis of ailments of heart. Trachoma is a disease of eyes. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using the concave lens. Leukemia is a disease of blood. In humans, most nutrient molecules are absorbed by small intestine. Sensitive layer of the eye is retina. Addison's disease is caused by the excessive secretion of adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Deficiency of zinc causes loss of appetite and poor growth. Digestion of food is completed in small intestine. Myopia is a disease connected with eyes. Blood is cleaned by kidneys. Urine is produced in kidneys. Medulla oblongata is a part of human brain. The fluid part of blood is known as plasma. Smallpox is caused by virus. Each day human body breathe 15,000 to 20,000 liters of air. Malaria is a disease which affects the spleen. The average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 70. Which vitamin promotes healthy functioning of eyes in human beings? Vitamin A. Carbohydrates have the maximum calorific value. How many bones are there in a newly born infant? 300. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pituitary gland. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. Which lens is used for long sight defect? Convex lens. Which of gland secrete tears? Lacrimal gland. Wavelength of a very high frequency, VHF, is short. The function of hemoglobin is transportation of oxygen. The main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from the body. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphate. The largest part of human brain is cerebrum. Tibia is a bone found in the leg. The pancreas secretes insulin. How many bones are there in an adult human being? 206. Total volume of blood in a normal adult human being is 5 to 6 liters. Which vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin K. What is the body temperature of a normal man? 37 degrees Celsius. How much percent of water does milk contain approximately? 87%. A man dies in the presence of carbon monoxide because of reduction in supply oxygen. In human body the food is mainly digested in small intestine. Bronze is an alloy, composed of copper and tin. Vitamin A is richly found in carrot. Lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days. Genetic engineering is a branch of biology. Leukemia is a disease of blood cells. Oranges contain vitamin C. When water boils, its temperature remains same. Rose propagation is done by cutting. What does blood consist of? 55% plasma and 45% blood cells. Ozone layer prevents which of the radiation from entering the atmosphere? Ultraviolet radiations. Light travels in transverse waves. Silkworm eats mulberry. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Carbon is not an element of the bone. Nights are cooler in the deserts because sand radiates heat more quickly as compared to the earth. The saliva helps in the digestion of starch. The drugs caffeine, tannin, and nicotine are alkaloids. A device that converts mechanical energy into electric energy is called generator.